Facing a critical Windows failure due to the Perfproc Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's implement the official repair path today. Before we get into the manual guide for Perfproc Library, you can try the suggested utility for improving overall system health. This is the Perfproc Library, the Process Performance Counter Library. It provides unmanaged routines for measuring CPU and memory usage of individual processes. It facilitates the data link for Performance Monitor, PerfMon, telemetry manifests. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. If Perfproc Library DLL is missing, it indicates a problem with your Windows system image. I suggest running sfc/scan now from an administrator command prompt to perform a surgical repair of your core operating system files. In cases where the official installer remains ineffective, we must escalate to a manual review of your system's active runtime state. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Perfproc library component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Since that didn't resolve it, let's pivot to step 3 to address the root cause directly. If you need to pause the video to get your workspace ready, take your time. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. The risk of a blue screen of death increases significantly when you attempt to manually swap out files like Perfproc Library DLL in your System32 folder. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. Review options for improving system stability and resource management by consulting the diagnostic information linked below for Perfproc Library. If you've regained access to Perfproc Library thanks to this guide, a like and a subscription really helps us continue producing these verified technical fixes.